In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress child theme directly on your web hosting server. This is the website that we will be changing. This is using a default theme from WordPress 2023. Now, in order to make changes to the site, we're going to have to log into it. So I'm going to click Sign In. In this particular web hosting company, allows you to log in with Google. So I've actually logged into my Gmail account first so I can make it a lot easier for me to just click on the login with Google button. Now that I've logged in, I can manage the account, and I'm going to look for the location of the file. So here's the file manager, and the public HTML directory, WordPress content, and now we'll go to the themes, and we see we've got two themes installed, the 2023 being the default one right here. This is a parent theme, and I can tell that by looking inside and seeing all of its files. So I'm going to come out and create a new directory in themes. Oops, I think we're not there yet. Let me come back. Themes. Now I'm going to follow the name that's already there, 23 dash child. This will be the child theme. And a child theme, go into the directory, requires two files at minimum. The first is style.css, and the second is functions.php. The content of style.css, I'm going to double click it and open it. I can just grab the sample code that's here, just click copy, and then now I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to update this. Now this was says 2015, change this to 2023 child, and I guess we can leave that alone. 2020-3. Okay, let's try to speed this along. 2023. I'll add my name. My personal website. It's also WordPress. And now the template. The template is actually the name of the parent. 2023 and 1.0 is fine. Okay, and here's for the 2023 child. Now I'm going to save and close, and now I'm going to update the functions.php, double clicking on it. Now there are two options for functions.php. The first way of enqueuing the style sheet that I just created is here, but I'm going to try the second way. Copy this code and paste it in. It says 22. This is a comment, so that's really not necessary. I'm going to remove it. The parent thing, the dependency, this only works. Okay. So I'm going to save and close. And now we have a theme above. So now I'm going to go here. Now we can see the, oops, oh, we're back in the plugins here. So we've got the parent theme and the child theme. So now I'm going to log into the WordPress account. For me, my username is GeorgeMCK. Yours might be admin, because in this specific web host, there's a web host app, they recommend they have a default as admin. As back practice, don't use admin, use something else. And then also not the email address. When they set up this account, it does not have the ability to send emails. So just use your username. Now that I'm logged in, I can go to Appearance Themes, scroll down, and I can see that I have got the active theme here, another parent theme, and this new child theme that I created. So now I'm going to click Activate, like so. And now we can visit the site again. I'm going to click Open. In this one, it should actually look the same as the original. So let me see here. Yeah. So you really can't tell a difference between these two sites. Okay. So now I'm going to make another change to these files so we can tell there's a difference. I'm going to go to the style.css and add a new rule. Let's say for all paragraphs, we're going to make the color red. And that looks good. Now click Save and Close. And I'm going to reload the page now. And there we go. So all paragraph tags have now been changed to red. Okay, so that's what I wanted to cover. Just showing you how to create a child theme directly on the server. And we can see that the style sheet has been loaded. And actually, to show one last thing, by doing inspect and I'll target this right here, and we see it says color red for the P tag, and if we mouse over, we can see that it has loaded the 2023-child theme, because that's the style.css. We can actually open that up in new tab and see it directly. Okay, great. So that's all for this video. Thank you.